Have you noticed something lately? Wherever you go in Europe, from busy cafes in Berlin to sunny sidewalks in Barcelona, one dog keeps popping up more than any other. Big round eye, tiny muscular frame, and those iconic bat ears. Yep, the French Bulldog is everywhere. But how did this quirky little dog become Europe's most loved and most controversial breed? Today, we are uncovering why French Bulldogs are taking over Europe in 2025 and what you really need to know before falling in love with them. Let's start with the big picture. In 2025, the French Bulldog is officially Europe's number one trending dog. They are topping registration charts in the UK, exploding in Germany, and showing massive growth in places like France, Italy, and the Netherlands. They are not just popular, they have become a cultural icon. And it's easy to see why. They are small, they are stylish, they are perfect for apartment living. And let's be honest, they look amazing on Instagram. But this is not just about looks. Let's rewind and go back to where it all began. Origin and early obstacle. Surprise. Despite the name, the French Bulldog did not start in France. Back in 18th, English lace workers bred small bulldog types as companions. Dogs that were meant to be cuddle, not fight. When those workers moved to northern France, they brought their dogs with them. And that's when the breed really started to change. French breeders crossed them with local terriers. And the result, a new kind of dog, smaller, squatter, funnier. And with those unforgettable ears, Persian couldn't get enough. Artists, writers, fashionists, even Toulouse-Lautrec painted them. The Frenchie quickly became a favorite in the Persian cafes and smoky studios. But as their popularity grew, so did their health issues. Let's talk honestly. The same features that make French bulldogs adorable are also the reason why they are struggling. Flat faces means narrow airways, noisy breathing, heat sensitivity, and real danger during exercise or travel. In fact, many airlines won't even allow them on board. And there is more. Because of their sudden rise on social media and celebrity accounts, backyard breeders and even puppy mills jumped into meat demand, mass producing Frenchies with zero concern for genetic or health. In countries like Norway and the Netherlands, there are even legal restrictions on breeding extreme flat faced dogs. And honestly, it's hard to blame them because, as cute as Frenchies are, they shouldn't suffer to look that way. So, there is a question. If French Bulldogs come with health risks, if French Bulldogs come with health risks, why are people still obsessed with them? It's simple. Frenchies aren't just dogs, they are characters. They are playful, goofy, emotional, expressive, and always ready to be center of attention. They snore, they snuggle, they steal your heart. In short, they are weird little love machines and people can't resist them. They are also amazing with kids, great in apartments, and surprisingly quiet. You don't walk a Frenchie, you negotiate with one. Should you get one? Alright, let's be real. Is the French Bulldog the right dog for you? If you live in a small space, If you want a funny, affectionate dog, if you are ready for potential vet bills, and if you will go to a responsible breeder or a rescue, then yes, a Frenchie could be your perfect match. But if you are just following the trend, and if you are buying from some random seller online, or if you think it's a low effort breed, please think again. Frenchies need care, they need understanding, they need someone who will pull health before hype. So now you know the truth behind Europe's most popular dog. The French Bulldog may be small, but its story is huge. And whether you are a proud Frenchy parent or just a fan of breed, you are part of this journey too. Tell us in the comments, do you think the French Bulldog deserves its number one spot? Share your stories, drop your Frenchie's name, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the more amazing dog content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.